Yeah, just put a mirror right here so I don't have to look over here.
Then you're just like, what up?
What up? Yeah, so we can actually zoom it in too. And then we can get this going. I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm going to be unboxing today. It's the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. This thing is going to change the game in real estate. We are a real estate company, and man, I'm so excited to use this thing in our marketing, and I just wanted to share with you a quick unboxing and just do a quick fly tutorial of what's going to happen. Grab the box. This is a package deal you can get from them. It's $1,399. Comes with a pack, 2 batteries, and obviously the drone, which I'm really excited about. So let's check it out, see what's in it. So you got your pack. Get this thing unzipped here. All right, cool. It's got little compartments. Got your controller. So this thing's pretty sweet. Can't wait to hook this thing up. Looks like you got your, I think you can hook your phone up to it or something. Look, would you look at that? Check it out. So obviously you can probably put an iPhone or an iPad mini into this controller, so I'm probably going to use an iPad mini because I think that's going to be better viewing for the flying. That's your, whoops, there goes your tutorial on how to use this. And let's just get down to the drone. Let's check this thing out. Alright, so this is the DJI Pro Platinum. If you see, you got the sweet logo. They got this new emblem going on it, so that will differentiate from the Mavic Pro to the Pro Platinum. So let's go fly this thing.
What's up everyone, this is Carl Ortignati, your local realtor here at the Juniper Realty Group office. Just wanted to share this with you guys. We got a new drone, a Mavic Pro Platinum that Chris, our marketing director, just purchased for us to market our listings. So this is going to change the game. It's going to change how we present listings to you guys. So stay tuned for our listing videos to come.